Alright, so in this video we're going to be going over both of our helmet setups that we run. Obviously we run GoPros on the front of our helmets. This is Ordo's helmet right here. And then this one here on the left is my helmet. On mine I'm just running a regular GoPro mount. It works fine for now, but later I'm going to be getting one of the brain exploder GoPro mounts like you can see on the helmet on the right. So it runs the GoPro inverted like that. So that way whenever you put the GoPro on, it's already at the perfect angle and it gets the lens of the camera lower so it's not so high up and the camera angle is a little bit better. And then you guys also might notice that we're running these wires right here. This one's obviously not plugged in right now, but like this wire right here, because we run because the batteries on these GoPros are not the best. They run out. We're always having issues with them running out of battery, so we run the cord up through here to this pouch on the back. This is just a pouch that you could get off Amazon or something. This one, I got the multicam one. So I got a auxiliary battery in here. This one's actually a GoPro power bank right here. And this will run all day. You're not going to have any issues with power. This one's 6,000 milliamps. You could get a bigger one, but there's really no need. 6,000 milliamps, it'll run the GoPro all day. You won't have any issues with it. And also it kind of acts as like a counterweight because you got the weight of the camera up here. So with the battery back there, it kind of evens the weight out. And we also have it paracorded just in case the Velcro fails, that the battery won't drop off the helmet. This camo netting right here, I think got it off Airsoft. We just cut some and zip tied it to the top. It kind of breaks up the shape of the helmet that people look for and it just blends in better. I usually don't run it with this patch on. I usually run like a green patch or something. And they're just Condor helmets. They're light. They're pretty comfortable. I actually took some of the pads out of it and it's more comfortable that way. We're not running anything on these rails right now. Also, you can see underneath this camo netting, we painted them in the same pattern. You've probably seen it on some of our guns before, like the 4CRL or the CAA or the XCR. It's the same pattern. It gets rid of that, like if you buy one of these helmets, it kind of has a little bit of a shine to it. You want to get rid of that. Give it a more matte look so it doesn't reflect off. The sun doesn't reflect off of it. We painted both the helmets. Then we put this camo net over it so it's pretty camoed up. And we also painted this mount too. That's pretty much it. If you guys got any questions about it, you could always drop it in the comments and we'll answer it. We find this setup works pretty good. If you are going to run a GoPro, we do recommend getting the inverted mount, because the other mount is sometimes like you'll take the GoPro off and then put it back on and the angle will be messed up. It'll be pointed too far upward or something. But that's pretty much it for this helmet setup. See you guys in the next video.